Hello everyone, welcome to my English class. In this session, we would be discussing about phrasal verbs and its types. Phrasal verb. It is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both. How do you identify phrasal verbs? You have to look at the whole sentence. If the two words can be understood literally, it's a verb and a preposition. How many types of phrasal verbs are there? There are basically 4 types of phrasal verbs. Transitive phrasal verb, intransitive phrasal verb, separable and inseparable phrasal verb. Now let's move ahead to learn about each of the phrasal verbs mentioned above. Transitive phrasal verb, which require an object in sentence, are called transitive phrasal verbs. Without an object, a sentence having a phrasal verb cannot make a complete sense. For example, she looks after the child. They carried on their work. In both the sentence, we can see the object, child and work. Intransitive phrasal verb. These verbs do not require an object in the sentence, so they are called intransitive phrasal verbs. Example, the patient passed away. The thief ran away. In both the sentences, it expresses meaning without an object. Separable phrasal verbs. These are the phrasal verbs whose words can be separated using in different places in a sentence. Example, please turn on the light. It can be written as please turn the light on. Here we can separate the phrasal verb. I will pick up you from the bus stop. It can be written as I will pick you up from the bus stop. Non-separable or inseparable phrasal verbs. These are the phrasal verbs whose words cannot be separated for using it in different places in a sentence. Example, he is trying to give up smoking. You should stay away from bad friends. So the important note is, by looking at all the examples, you can note that the intransitive phrasal verbs are inseparable. We cannot separate them. So children, I hope this video will help you in gaining a good understanding of the concept. Thank you.